Case number 1. Dad tried to dodge child support. Judge exposed everything.
Okay. Miss Ghost, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, we have a 1-year-old daughter named Alexis Ray. We're not together anymore. We were married for 2 years. We divorced because I like women. And so I want to put him on child support. He don't do nothing for his little girl. So that's basically.
Okay. So you all divorced, have a 1-year-old.
Yes, ma'am.
And you want him to pay child support?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, seems pretty straightforward. Sir, what do you have to say about that?
Your Honor, I don't have a problem paying child support.
Once gave him her heart, but in the end, she chose to follow her own truth. Now, with a 1-year-old in her arms, she returns, seeking help from the very man who once promised forever. The courtroom grows heavy with silence as their painful story begins to unfold.
You know, she did leave me for somebody else. She cheated on me throughout our relationship and things like that.
That's another court that has nothing to do with me. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. I only make $16 an hour, ma'am, as a warehouse supervisor, so it's really hard to make the ends meet. So I don't know how much I can give. You know, it's expensive to live where we live, you know.
Well, according to the documents you provided, you make $18 an hour, not $16.
Oh.
Oh. So
He's
you
also
don't
a
know how
liar,
much you
Your
make?
Honor.
No, ma'am, I was mistaken. I apologize.
Oh.
He cries betrayal. She insists she left to find peace. The judge listens closely as he pleads that money is tight, but the details don't add up. What follows leaves the entire room frozen in disbelief.
You get a check every month, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all made the perfect couple. You're the liar, she's the cheater.
Well, that's semantics right there. That's the particulars. He lied. I didn't cheat on him.
Okay, well, we already established that he lies. I mean,
Oh, yeah, see, I told you he was a liar.
Well, I mean, you didn't even have to tell me that.
You knew that, right?
I don't know how you do it every
you know,
single time.
What do you?
You know, what I don't need you all to do is address each other. You all
Yes,
will
ma'am.
address me. There's obviously a reason that you're no longer married.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Because he's a cheater.
No, because you guys were the perfect storm is why you guys are not married anymore. Now, in terms of health care, who pays it for this child?
He pays it.
Tension thickens like smoke. He calls her dishonest. She fires back, accusing him of breaking trust. The judge steps in before emotions explode, and at last, the truth about who really cares for their child starts to emerge.
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
She's on his Medicaid.
Okay, so wait a minute. The child lives with you, but
Yes, ma'am.
and the child is on Medicaid.
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you paying Medicaid yet, or you haven't started paying them?
Yes, ma'am. I am paying for the child's health care right now.
Okay, so you guys understand that Medicaid is not health insurance, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is health. It's not health insurance per se in terms of a private carrier, but for the child, that particular service is through the state of Texas.
The little girl stays with her mother. It's the father's Medicaid that supports her. The judge's questions cut deep, unearthing layers of confusion until the truth slowly reshapes everything they thought they knew.
It does have to be repaid to the state. You're not paying health insurance to her. You understand that, right? Or you didn't understand?
I
'Cause you're looking real
understand.
confused.
I understand that now, ma'am.
You understand it now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you understand that Medicaid has to be reimbursed to the state, and you're going to have to start paying child support at $18 an hour. You understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You looked real depressed just then. I mean, did I say something wrong?
No, ma'am. I just know how much it's going to hurt, ma'am. That's all.
Know how much is what is going to hurt you.
The child support hit.
And you do understand that, Mom, are you working?
5 reality hits him hard. Those Medicaid debts won't vanish, and his paycheck now hangs in the balance. Just as defeat paints his face, the judge asks one heartbreaking question that shatters every soul in the courtroom.
Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working?
I mean, I just don't work.
You don't want to work, but you think that he is solely responsible for taking care of your 1-year-old?
Well, she lives with me, so I take
excuse
it.
me, I was talking thanks. If she does live with you, yes, she does live with you, and he will be obligated to pay child support because of that. But you also need to be working too.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you gonna come back in here next time with some proof of looking for a job?
Oh, yes, ma'am, I will. And I'm currently pregnant again.
Now, he denies the unborn child is even his. The judge listens carefully, then reveals one legal right that could turn the entire case upside down. A single test will soon uncover who must bear the weight of this truth.